Hello everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video we are going to start with a new chapter, linear inequalities. Guys, बहुत easy chapter. They'll ask the two questions from this chapter, so you can score 2 out of 2 from this chapter. Okay, so before that I will rub this. Okay. Very guys, very easy chapter. See, this you have already studied in class 8, even in ninth also. Those who have studied the BCom, in that also you have, not in the BCom, in the first PUC and second PUC, if you have taken the basics math, in that also you have studied the linear inequalities. But means linear inequalities means what? Wait, I will tell you. Linear inequalities. So see, the first thing we have learned about equations. Okay, so equation is what, guys? Equation, how we'll get to know equation? Equation means where we have a equal sign. Anything you write, like 2x plus 3y equals minus 7, or 5x minus 4y minus 11 equals 0. Anything, if it have a equal sign, it is a equation. Okay, equal sign is there means it is a equation. If equal sign is not there, then it is not a equation. See, दिख रहा है? Maths is my superpower. बताओ in the comment box what is your superpower. मेरा तो भाई मैथ्स इज अ सुपर पावर. टी शर्ट लिया हूँ भाई, इंस्टाग्राम पे स्क्रॉल कर रहा था, देखा, अच्छा लगा, खरीद लिया. ऑर्डर किया, आज आया आफ्टर 3 to 4 days. आज आया, अच्छा लग रहा है. अच्छा, रिकॉर्डिंग करते टाइम मैथ्स पढ़ा रहा हूँ तो मैथ्स इज माई सुपर पावर. थोड़ा सा बकचोदी हो जाएगा, अच्छा लगेगा. है कि नहीं? तो ओके, sorry, censored word. I have not said that word. Background noise, guys, some glitch was there in that word. Okay, so background noise. Okay, so what is this? This, if a equal sign is there, means it is a equation. If equal sign is not there, then that is not a equation. Now see here, what is this? Inequalities means this, unequal. Unequal means we don't have a equal sign. We have a sign either greater than equal to, lesser than equal to. We have a this sign only. Okay, if you have a greater than equal to, or lesser than equal to, that means it is a inequalities. And see, in the inequalities we have studied before also, we have studied by a long method. Long method means in the examination they will give the equations. In the examination they will give the 2, 3, 4 equations. From that equations we have to take first x equals 0, we will get the y point. Then we'll take y equals 0, we will get the x point. Then we have to substitute in the graph, and then we have to find the common region. Okay, like this. Cute, है ना? Ow! Like this, guys. थोड़ा सा बड़ा करता हूँ, थोड़ा ज़्यादा बड़ा, बस. Okay, now see this one. Like this, you will get the question like this. Means we know this. किधर यहाँ? Like this, they will give the graph. Sorry, they will give the equations. We have to take first x0, then we'll get the y, then y0, we'll get the x. Like that you have to take, you will get the points. That point you have to substitute in the graph, then join the 2 points, you will get a one line. Like that you have to draw, and then you have to find which is the common region between all the graph lines. So that is a shaded region. The common region is the shaded region. This we know the long method, because the examination will get for 5 marks, 6 marks. But here we will not do that. We will find like this within 1 minute, maximum 1 minute. Otherwise 30 seconds, 40 seconds is enough. Oh, sorry, sorry. Oh, this. Okay, now come. So before starting, we should have to know the few things which we already know. So guys, whenever we will draw a graph, we know there is a 2 axis. There is a two axis. This is a x axis, this is a y axis. Yes, that's इतना easy आता है sir. This is a x positive axis and this is a x negative means dash. This is a y positive axis and this is the y negative means y dash. Okay, now see how many quadrant we have. Yes, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. We have studied this, we know. So guys, in the first quadrant, what will happen for the x? This side is x, so this side is positive. X is positive. What happened for the y? Y is also positive, right? Positive, positive. In second quadrant, what will happen? This x is this side is negative, and y is this. So y this means positive. Third quadrant, what will happen? X this side means, guys, see, x right side is positive, x left side is negative. Y, if it will go up means positive, it will come down means negative. So this side, left side means x is negative, and for y we are going down means negative. Now fourth quadrant is x is going right side means positive, and y is going downwards. So downward is negative, upward is positive. So we know this first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. The first quadrant is both is positive, positive. Second quadrant negative, positive. Third quadrant negative, negative. Fourth quadrant positive, negative. Okay. So we know we will write, whenever we write the quadrant, it will be x comma y. So this is x, y, x, y, x, y, x, y. So what will happen in the first quadrant, guys? See, x is positive. Positive means greater than 0. Y is also positive means greater than 0. Second quadrant, x is negative. Negative means x is lesser than 0. Positive means y is greater than 0. Third quadrant, both are negative. Both are negative means x is lesser than 0, y is lesser than 0. Fourth quadrant, x is positive means x is greater than 0. Y is negative, so y is lesser than 0. We know this, right? Step. Okay. So this is a very easy thing. And guys, now see the how we will get the answer. So we should not have to solve here anything. We are not going to solve. We will just use this form, this sign, greater than or lesser than. So greater than equal to, it is same, we'll consider it as a greater than only. Lesser than equal to, both are same, we'll consider it as a lesser than only. So now first of all we will see how many types of questions they will ask here, because they will ask the two questions, but how many types? Guys, the first type is they will give the equations. First type is they will give the equations. From that you have to find which is the correct graph. Okay, example दीजिए. Like this, guys, see this question number 22. They have given the equation. Line 1 is this equation, line 2 is this equation. Sorry. Then line 3 is having this equation, line 4 is having this equation. Means they will give the equations. From the equation we have to find which is the correct graph. So what we have to find in linear inequalities? Yes, what we have to find? We have to find every time is the common region. Common region means that the shaded part. Okay, we have to find the common region. Like we will draw the graph, we will see the sign and all, I will tell you. After that we have to shade the common region. That is the correct answer. The first type of question is what? First type of question means they will give the equations. We have to find which is the correct graph. Okay, so let's come first. We'll talk about the tricks. Okay, first is what, guys? First is they will give the equations. You have to find the correct graphs. So guys, see, this is the graph. Suppose this is the graph. Okay, x dash, y dash. This is a 0. Okay, now how many symbols we have? Yes, we have two symbols, either greater than or lesser than. Guys, greater than means what? Wait a minute. Greater than, guys, greater than or greater than equal to, both same. Lesser than equal to, both same. So greater than sign means it is going what, away from 0, right? Greater than 0 means it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Greater means it will, suppose this is a line, this is a line, suppose this is a line. If we will talk about greater than means it will move away. Greater than means, guys, it will move away. Remember the thing, just we have to see the symbol. We don't bother about the values. We have to just focus on the symbol, guys. This linear inequalities, if you want to score the 2 out of 2 marks, we have to just focus where? Focus on the sign. The focus on the sign, whether it is greater than or whether it is lesser than. Very important. So greater than means away. What we have to do? We have to do away from 0, you can say. Okay, away from 0 or away from origin. Away from origin. Okay, suppose this is a line. So greater than 0, if the symbol is greater than, not 0 anything, but just the symbol is greater than, means this, we have to go away from the origin. See, this is the origin, they are going away from the origin. If suppose the same, if the symbol is lesser than means, yes, towards the origin. Lesser than means towards the origin. Lesser than means towards the origin means, see, will come this side, inwards. Okay, or you can write this also. Away means you can write the outward. Okay, this you can write inwards. Both you can write. Okay, outwards, inwards, both you can write. Okay, like you can say, if see, greater than means away from origin, or you can write outwards. Lesser than means towards the origin, or you can say inwards. Okay, understand? Yes. What is the first is they will give the equation, we have to draw the graph. Okay, so we will only work on the symbol, we'll only work on the trick. Okay, so if greater than symbol is there means away from origin or outward. Lesser than means towards the origin or inwards. Now here, guys, how many types they can ask, I will tell you. Suppose if you will see all the symbols are greater than. Okay, all the symbols are greater than means, what is the common region? Common region will be the all outwards, means like this. We suppose this, all the symbol is greater than, so this all the symbol is, guys, remember the thing, remember the graph. If all the symbol is greater than, if all the symbols are greater than, means this is the common region. Means all is greater than means what? All will go outwards, so outwards is the common region. What is this? Is the common region. Outwards is the common region when all are greater than. And this one, see, means at the corner, when all the symbol are lesser than. When all the symbols are lesser than means what? It will come, all will come inwards. So inwards means where? Here, at the corner. Okay, if the shaded region is at the corner, if the shaded region is at the corner, if the shaded region is at the corner means all symbol are lesser than. If all symbol are lesser than means, yes, shaded region is at the corner. If all symbols are lesser than means shaded region is at the corner. See here, this at the corner, like this, see, it is at the corner. Okay, if all the symbols are lesser than means it is at the corner here. See, if all the symbols are greater than means is all will be outwards. Like this example, see, here also, see, all are what? All are outwards, so all are outward means all symbols are greater than. Okay, so this type of graph, when it will happen, this type of graph when all the symbols are greater than. Okay, this type of graph when all the symbols are greater than. So this type means at the corner, or you can see this at the corner means Yes, all the symbols are lesser than. Okay, so if this is outside means all the symbols are greater than. This is at the corner means all the symbols are lesser than. Okay, this is the first thing what you have to remember in your mind. If it is mixed, greater than, equal to, if it's mixed, we have to see whether it is going outside, inward. Then that time we have to see and we will understand. Okay, so first thing we have learned is, yes, they will give the equations. From the equations, we have to select which is the correct graph, the common shaded region. Okay, so in that also condition is there. If greater than sign means, yes, away from the origin, or you can say outwards. Lesser than symbol means, yes, towards the origin, or you can say inwards. Okay, so guys, what I have told, we have to just remember the symbol. We don't care about the equations and all, just the symbol. If suppose the symbol is all greater than, symbol is all greater than, if the sign is all greater than, then this outward is the answer. See, outward is the answer. If all the symbol is lesser than, if all the symbols are lesser than, if all the symbols are lesser than means, yes, at the corner, this corner is the answer. See, at the corner, corner is the answer. If it is mixed symbol, if it is mixed means we have to see. Okay, if it is mixed means we will able to find it, whether it is going up, down. Okay, like that, greater than, equal to, like that we will get the common region. Okay, so this is the first thing. I hope everyone understand and you have written that right. Yes sir, very good. First thing is done. This is the first type of question what they will ask. From equation we have to find out which is the correct graph. So the symbol is there. Greater than means all outside, lesser than means at the corner. If it is mixed, we will check it out. Okay, second thing, is opposite of this. Second thing is, if they will give the graph and from that we have to find the equations. Second thing is what? They will give the graph and from that we have to find the equations. So guys, it is very easy thing. They will give the graph, we have to find the equation. Very easy. What we have to do, only see, the first thing you have to keep in your mind is those equation which don't have like this, like x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, or x is lesser than 0, y is lesser than equal to 0, whatever it is. Those equation don't have this, means that equation is invalid. Example I will show you. See, just see the example. See this. This is the thing. They are given a graph, right? And the graph, in that they are given a what? Equations. So see, x1 greater than 0, x2 greater than 0. So this I am talking, x1 x2 or y1 y2 or xy whatever. See, this is also have. So this also have, means all the three are valid. Now we will check. Okay, if suppose like this, yeah, this is the equation. See, in this equation we don't have like this, means what? This equation is invalid. In this equation also we have, means B and C is valid, A is invalid, means we have to check in B and C. Okay, if it is more I can show you. Yes, see this, they have given a graph. Okay, see, this is the question is, they have given a graph and we have to find which is the correct equation. From they will give the graph and we have to find the equation. Means first thing what we will see in the equation, this, see, either xy, x1, x2 whatever, and the symbol is greater than, lesser than, whatever it is, but just this thing should be there. So it is not in A. See where it is A. No, it is not in A, so A is invalid. In B, no, it is not in B, so B is invalid. It is in C. Yeah, so C is the answer. Okay, very easy trick to find. It will be, means it will very helpful to eliminate, right? Yes, first thing. And the second thing what you have to see is, the first thing is this, when they will give the graph and you have to find the equation, means this is the first thing what we have to see. There are those equation which does not consist of this eliminated. Those who have, we have to check in that. Okay, so again what I have said, only we will see by the symbol, only we will see by the symbol, we will not see anything else. So the symbol means, okay, what they will do is they will draw the graph like this. In the graph they have a different lines. Line number 1, in that guys they will say, they will do like this, means either inwards, line number 2 like this, outwards. So you will get to know, if suppose this is a line number 1, line number 2, this is a line number 3. Okay, so line number 3 is like this. So we will get to know what we have to do. We have to go direct to the options and just see the sign. Line number 1, line number is 1 is what? This is inwards. Inward means for the line number 1, or you can say the equation number 1, it should be lesser than. Second is this line number 2 or equation number 2, it is outwards. Outward means line number 2 should be greater. Line number 3, again you can see it is outwards. Outward means line number 3 also should be greater than. So those equation which have this symbol, that is the answer. Okay, so suppose sometime, very rarely, what they will do, they will give in the option, two options, they will give the same symbol. So that time guys, we have to just check the equation. What is the line number 1 equation, what is the line number 2 equation, what is the line number 3 equation. We will match the equation which is the correct given, that is the answer. Okay, so understand the first thing is what? From equation we have to find the graph. So what we will do, we will see the symbol, right? If all is greater than means all outer region. If all is smaller than means symbol, smaller than symbol means at the corner. If it is mixed, we have to check. Okay, second is they will give the graph, we have to find the equation. So what is the first thing we have to see? Yes, this one. Though the equation which does not consist of this one, eliminated. After that also they will give in the graph like this, either it is going inwards or outwards. So according to that, inwards means equation number 1 is lesser than, outwards means equation number 2 is greater than, equation number 3 also you can see it is outward, outwards means greater than. Like this you will see which equation have this symbol, that will be the correct answer, right? Yeah, so 2 is done. Now third number guys is a word problem. Word problems. So see, word also have a problem. Okay, word problems. So see, in the what they will give the word problem. From word problem you have to find which is the correct equations. What we have to do, they will give the word problems, you have to read the word problem, then you have to tell which is the correct equation. So guys, what is the first thing we will do? Again we'll do the first thing, which equation which does not consist of like this, x greater than 0, y lesser than 0, or x lesser than 0, whatever, if like this. Again we will see those equation which does not consist of like this, those equations are eliminated. If they have consist of this thing means we have to check. Okay, second thing guys, very important thing, word problem means it will be a long word problems like this. Okay, this word problem, the question number 8, see this much big word problem, from that you have to find which is the correct equation. So guys, very simple thing, no need of reading all these word problem, then you have to take one x, then you have to take one y, then you have to write all these values and all. Don't do like that. Okay, just we have to stick to the words. Guys, read the question and we have to stick to the word, that's it. Now see here, if we have a two symbol, either greater than symbol or yes lesser than symbol. If it is greater than, guys, for greater than symbol, what are the words by which we'll get to know, okay, this is the greater than? If the word is at least. Okay, suppose you ask me like, sir, we have to write the test, what is the minimum time for the test? I'll say at least 1 hour. At least 1 hour means minimum 1 hour, we can take 1 2 3 like that. Okay, suppose I will give you a question, 50 questions. You have to do the 50 questions. So you will answer 50 question is like in that 50 question, how much questions we have to do? I will say at least 20 questions you have to do. At least 20 questions. Means at least 20 questions means what? Minimum of 20 questions you have to do means at least 20. If I will give you a 5 chocolates, I will say take at least 2. At least 2 means you can take 2, 3, 4, right? At least means more, that value or more. So whenever the value is like what is at least means we can take more than that. So it is a it is a greater than. It is a greater than. So if the word is like at least means it is a greater than, because I will say at least 3 questions you have to do means what is in your mind, okay I have to do 3 or more than 3. So more than means greater than. And next word is minimum. Next word is minimum. Okay, suppose if you will ask, sir, how many questions we will get in the examination, or suppose we are writing the examination, what is the marks we have to, like we'll get the pass. So for passing I will say minimum 200 marks, right? CA foundation minimum 200 means minimum 200 means 200 you should have to get, 200 or more than 200. You can't go beyond 200. If you will take less than 200 means moe. Okay, so minimum 2 hours you have to take, minimum 10 questions you have to do means minimum 10 questions means 10 or more than 10 you can do, you can't take less than. So minimum 10 means 10 or more, so more means greater than. At least 10 questions means 10 or more than 10, so more than means greater than. So these are the words, just we have to see the words. If it is at least means all will be greater than, if it is a minimum all will be greater than. Now at least opposite is for lesser than, we'll see for lesser than. At least opposite is what guys, at most, right? If they will say at most, okay, at most 5 questions you have to do, at most 5 means 5 or less than 5, we can't exceed the 5. So 5 or less than means okay. So at most word for lesser than. Then if they will say require, okay wait, require or required or requirement all are same. Okay, if I will give you a question test and I will ask you like how much time you require, so you will say sir we require 2 hours. We require 2 hour means maximum of the 2 hours, you can't ask more than 2 hours, right? If I will give you a task, you say sir we require minimum, sorry, we require 10 persons, we require 10 persons, or there is a requirement of 10 persons means 10, you can't go more, 10 or less than 10. Requirement of 10 persons means 10 or less than 10, you can't exceed 10. So these are the words, remember the words. At least for greater than, opposite is at most for lesser than. Then maximum, okay, if I will say you maximum of 2 hours you have, maximum of 2 hours means you know that we can't go after them more than 2 hours, we have to be in limit of 2 hours. So maximum of 2 hours, done. We have to take the lesser value, we can't go the higher value. Okay, so the word is at most, requirement, maximum, this is for the lesser than, all will be lesser than. If it is at least or minimum, it is a greater than. That's it, you have to remember the just word. See guys, what we are remembering, we are remembering the symbol and words, symbol and words, that's it. We are not bothering about the equation or the substitution or the calculation, we don't bother anything, we will just bother about the symbol. And the last type of question is guys, they will say it like this, like this, you have to find the value of x, not yours. You have to find the value of x. So out of these 4 types, I will tell you, out of these 4 types, any 2 types they will ask in the examination, the 2 questions. Okay, I hope everyone means your concept got clear. Okay. Now guys, very important thing. Now we will solve the problems. Not your problems, not the life problems, this maths problem. Okay, so fine, these are the things what you have to keep in your mind. So first we'll start with this only. Okay, they will give the x, means you have to find the x. Okay, so before starting, इसको मैं नीचे कर लेता हूँ. चलो. So before starting, because only for finding the x you have to do, okay, you have to do the calculation, that's it. Other three you have to not to do, means we should not have to do the calculation. चलो एक चीज, एक सुन लो, शायरी सुनो, शायरी. जान से भी ज्यादा जिन्हें प्यार किया करते थे, जान से भी ज्यादा जिन्हें प्यार किया करते थे, याद उन्हें दिन रात किया करते थे. जान से भी ज्यादा जिन्हें प्यार किया करते थे, याद उन्हें दिन रात किया करते थे. अब उन राहों से गुजरा नहीं जाता. राहों मीन्स रास्ता. ओके, अब उन राहों से गुजरा नहीं जाता जहां बैठकर उनका इंतजार किया करते थे. समझ रहे हो? ओके, सर सुन करके रोने मत लग रहा सर, इमोशनल हो गया. ओके, तो चलो आओ सॉल्व करते हैं क्वेश्चंस. ओके, देखते हैं यहाँ भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस. हाँ, यहाँ है. चलो, find the minimum value of x from the inequalities. So guys, see, we will not change, don't bother about changing the symbol and all this. Okay, calculate like that only. I will tell you. 3x plus 15 is greater than equal to 6. So you have to find the value of x. So what is this? 3x plus 15 is greater than equal to 6. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find the value of x. Guys, very simple thing. We have to find the value of x, means what we have to do? We don't want this, right? We have to find the value of x. So what we will do? We don't want this. So what we will do? We will not change the sign and all. What we will do? We will send this 15 to that side. What will happen? Yes, if plus 15 will go that side, it will become minus 15. So 3x is greater than equal to 6 minus 15. Guys, don't change the symbol. Okay, 3x is greater than equal to 6 minus 15. So 3x is greater than equal to 6 minus 15 is minus 9. We have to find the value of x. So what will happen? We'll send the 3 this side. If the 3 will go that side, it will become divide. So x is greater than equal to minus 9 by 3. So it is minus 3, means x value is greater than equal to minus 3. Sorry for that voice. So minus 2, no, because what we got, the x is greater than equal to minus 3, means x is greater than minus 3 and x is equals to minus 3. So x is minus 2, no, minus 4, no, minus 5, no, see this, minus 3, because x is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3. Okay, sorry. Okay, now we will see this. X is minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. These are the values of x, and this is a given equation. Find the possible values of x, means what you have to do? You have to take the minus 3, substitute it here, in which you will get LHS equals RHS. That is the answer. So we have to get the 9. So we'll take the minus 3. So minus 2 into minus 3. So 6, right? 6. So it will become 1 minus 2 into minus 3. So minus minus plus 3 to the 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. So what? They said 9 is lesser than equal to 7. Means 7 is greater than 9. No. So 3 value is not there. So 3 value means 3, 4. So 3. This is not there. 3 इसमें भी है, तो ये भी नहीं होगा. Okay, either C or D. Either C or D. Now we'll see for the 4. 4 means 9 is greater than, sorry, 9 is lesser than equal to 4, minus 4. So minus 2 into minus 4 is a minus minus plus 4 to the 8 plus 8. So 1 plus 8 is 9. Means 9 is, yes, 9 is greater than not, but 9 is equal to 9, right? So if minus 4 is there, minus 4 is there means minus 5 minus 6. Now we have to take from minus 4 minus 5 minus 6. This is the answer. Okay, because if you take the minus 5, what will happen? Minus 2 into minus 5, so it is a 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Yes, 11 is greater than 9. So 6 will also become same. 6 to the 12 plus 1, 13. Answer is this. Don't change the symbol and all. Okay, find the solution of this. Oh, here guys, see they have given, okay, minus 1. Chalo. Next question number 2 we will write. Not the question number 2. Wait, पता नहीं जो भी question guys. This is the 1, 2, 3. Question number 3. So I will write the question number 3. So question number 3 I will write from here. Minus 1 less than 2x plus 3 lesser than equal to 10. So what we have to do? Don't change the sign. See, it is in the 3 part. First part, second part, third part, right? First part, second part, third part. Very simple thing guys. First we have to take this 2 part, first and second, then we have to take the 2 part, second and third. That's it, we will get. So see, first we will take this 2 part, first and second, then second and third. First, second, second, third. So first is minus 1 less than 2x plus 3. So what we have to find? We have to find the x only. So for finding the x, we don't want plus 3, we will send that side, it will become minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3 less than 2x. So it will become minus 4 less than 2x. We have to find the value of x. So we'll send the 2 that side, it will become divide. Minus 4 divided by 2 is less than x. So it will become minus 2. So minus 2 is lesser than x. We got this. So it is the third part. First part, second part, third part. So we got the first part as minus 2. See, the second part will remain as x. Why? Because we have to find the x. If it is y means it will remain as y because we have to find y. Now what we will do? We got from first and second is done. Now we have to do second and third. Every time guys it will not come for fourth, it will come for 3. So first and second, then second and third. Second and third is, second is 2x plus 3 lesser than equal to 10. So what we will do? We will send the 3 to that side, constant to constant side, it will become 2x is lesser than equal to 10. This is plus 3 will go that side, minus 3. So 2x is lesser than equal to 10 minus 3 7. So x is lesser than equal to 7 by 2. Okay, so see here. What is it? This is the first part, minus 2. Second part is, see this, x and x remains constant. So second part is x only. Minus 2 lesser than x lesser than equal to 7 by 2. Now see the value. Okay, fine, they have taken like this. No worries. Same question, right? हाँ. तो चलो. So x is greater than minus 2. Greater than minus 2 means what we can take? Minus 1, 0, 1. But x is lesser than equal to 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. Means minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 till 3.5. Okay, why we will not take the minus 2 here? Because only they have said x is greater than minus 2. Here 3.5 is greater than x equal to. Equal to means we will take that value only. So we will see in which we have this value. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. 4 is not there. Maximum is what? Maximum is 3.5. So 4 is not there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is not there. 2, 3, 4, 5 is not there. We will take 1, 2, 3 is there. Right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, see here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is there. That is the answer. Now next we will go for the question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is, again see, first part, second part, third part. Sorry, first part, this is the second part and third part. Okay, we will solve it. 3 greater than equal to क्या? X minus 4 by 2 plus x plus 3 greater than equal to 2. Okay, so this is the third part, means first part, second part, third part. Sorry, here first part, this is the second part, this is the third part. So we'll take first and second part. So guys, see, if you will do this first and second part, then second and third part, it will be a bit lengthy. So what we will do, we'll write all the 4 options, and now we'll substitute. 4 option is 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 7. Okay, first is 1 2 2 3 1 2 sorry 3 4 5 6 3 4 5 6 6 7. Yes, now what we will do, we have to substitute the x, and we will see in which they are satisfying this condition. So x is 1 and 2. So 1 we will take okay, नहीं, it will become lengthy, बड़ा हो जाएगा थोड़ा सा, ऐसे ही करेंगे, यही करेंगे. नहीं तो this will become literally, it will become big, बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. Okay, now what we will do, we will take the first and second. First and second means this 3 is greater than equal to, this is a second. So second means what will happen, LCM, and we know LCM we will find by, we will multiply the denominator, then we will do the cross multiply. 3 to the 6. Now 3 will multiply with this x minus 4, right? 3 will multiply with x minus 4, so it will become 3x minus 12. This is a plus sign, plus 2x. Okay, and the same thing, right? The same thing will come here also. We will take the second and third. The second one means same thing, it will come 3x minus 12 plus 2x by 6 is greater than equal to 2. So what will happen, this 6 will go this side, so it will become cross multiply. So this 6 also will go that side, so cross multiply. So this is what, this is the first second, this is the second third. So it will become 6, see the 18 is greater than equal to, guys see this 3x plus 2x, 5x minus 12, and this is 3x plus 2x, 5x minus 12 greater than equal to 6 to the 12. Now what we will do, we want x, so we will send this minus 12 to that side, it will become plus 12. So 18 plus 12, yes, 30 is equals greater than equal to 5x, and this minus 12 will send that side, it will become plus 12. So 5 is greater than equal to 12 plus 12, 24. So you have to find the value of x, so we will send the 5 to this side, it will divide, 30 divided by 5 is 6. Okay, and here the 5 will go that side, so x 24 by 5. So what we have seen, that we have seen that this will get, means x is lesser than equal to 6, lesser than equal to 6, but x is greater than equal to, what will happen, 5 for the 24.8, means what is the x value, x value is greater than equal to 4.8, equal to 4.8, 5, and x is lesser than equal to 6. So equal to means, guys, we'll take that value, equal to means we'll take that value. Okay, if not equal to means we'll not take that value. Like x is less, x is greater than minus 2 means we'll not take the minus 2, we'll take minus 1 0 1 like that. So you'll see which value it is, 5 6, because see all is in whole number, whole number means 4.8 is not considered. So 5 6, this is 1 2, no, 3 4, no, 5 6, because 6 7 no. That's it. In the examination when they will give for 3, we have to take the first second, then second third, and we'll solve, we'll get the answer. Okay, yes sir, that's it. This is for the final part, the value of x. Okay, now we'll see the few more questions. Oh. Okay guys, now we will solve the random questions. Whatever the questions we will get, we will solve, because only the little difficult was the new thing, which is for how to solve for x. Okay, but this also you have solved in the class 8. I know you have forgotten. Okay, so the thing is, the new thing was only how to find the x. Okay, so all you understand, right? Don't change the sign, just do the normal calculation how we know and how we did in the equation chapter also. Same, but don't change the sign. That's it. So okay, this is the thing what they have said. Okay. No. This thing and all they want as an examination. Okay. Okay, guys, see, just see the symbol. Oh my God, we will not just we have to read it. Okay, a manufacturer produces two product A and B. This is the word problem. From word problem, we have to get the equation. So from word problem to equation, what we will do? Yes, we'll see the words. So let's see the word. A manufacturer produces two plants A and B and his machine in operation for 24 hours a day. Production of A requires. Oh, word is requires. Requires means lesser than. Production of A requires 2 hours of processing in machine 1 and 6 hours in machine 2. Production of B requires. Again requires. Means again minimum. 6 hours in processing machine 2 hours. The manufacturer earns the profit of this one, how many days? Okay, that's it. So what, guys, don't get confused with this. Sir, they said about the profit. No, we got the word now requires. That's it. What the word I have given, you have to find out that word. Don't say, sir, we got the maximum also. So what, maximum is also a lesser than. Requires is also a lesser than. Don't get confused with profit and all. We see the word requires maximum means it is a lesser than only. So see the option lesser than means these guys, they will not tell you to write the equation and solve this and all. Just we have to see the final equation. Okay, so all are lesser than. Yeah, see, this is the final equation. Lesser than. That's it. And as I have told you, this is very important. So which is given in the equation, we will find it out. This thing they will not ask. They will never ask. Okay. And see, if the graph also lesser than means what? See, this is the lesser than. Okay. Okay, guys, see, both are lesser than, right? Both are lesser than means what is the common region? Yes, at the corner. So see, this thing I am doing for your understanding, for getting you, like, you will get the confidence. So both are lesser than means see at the corner the graph, correct graph. We got the correct graph also, we got the correct equation also, means you have understand it. Now next, a company produces two product A and B, each of wire requires less than. Processing in two machines, the first machine can be used at most. Lesser than. Okay, again requires. Okay, see this word requires. So lesser than, guys. So lesser than means, see, if one is lesser than means all will be lesser than. If one is greater than means all will be greater than. Don't read every step for all the equations. No, from word problems to equations, see the symbol. If one is lesser than means all are lesser than. One is greater than means all are greater than. So what is symbol? Symbol, see, both are lesser than. What will be the graph? Yes, at the corner when both are lesser than. Okay, fertilizer company produces two types of fertilizer called grade A and grade 2. Each of these types is processed through two critical plants. Plant A has maximum of 120. Maximum means lesser than. Done. Now we'll see the equation. See, the correct equation is what? Lesser than. Another equation is lesser than. That's it. Okay, see, yeah, this is the equation. You have to find which is the correct graph. Okay, so what is this? Greater than. Both are greater than means what? Yes, very outside region. See this one, not this one. This will be not there. This one, from this upper line to all outside. Greater than. Next. Okay, not this thing. Okay, this type of things they will not ask. Okay, yeah, this example number 8. First is less. They have given the equation, you have to find the graph. First is lesser than. Lesser than, greater than. Oh, okay. So guys, see 5x plus 40, this 5x plus 4y is lesser than, to see this 5x plus 4y, this is this, so lesser than means it is coming inside. Then this 3x plus 5y, it is also lesser than, it is coming inside. Then this line 5x plus 4y, this is what, see this outside, this is going outside, means all is inside, this is outside, so it will not go beyond this line, right? Anything will be beyond this line is not applicable, because this is what, this is going outside, one is going outside, other is coming inside, so this here, it will not go beyond this line, it will not go beyond this outer line. So no, see this region, why not this region? This region is not, because this line will not come, means this region is not here, so common region is this. Okay, lesser than, lesser than, lesser than, lesser than, all are lesser than, means see the corner region. Ashte. Okay, like that you have to do. Okay, fine, we'll read this. Two machines 1 and 2 produces 2 grades of plywood, grade A and grade B. In 1 hour of operation, machine A produces 2 units of grade A and 1, while machine 2 in 1 hour produces 3 units of grade, 4 units of this. The machines are required to meet a production schedule at least. Okay, guys, here the required and at least. So read once full. Okay, if the required word at least is there, so that time required is not considered, because at least is the greater than. Okay, we'll see that one, at least. So if suppose at least was and required is there, so we will take the at least, we will not see the required. If minimum is there and requirement is there, we will see the minimum, we will not see the requirement. Remember this thing, if at least and requirement both is there, we will not see the requirement, we will see the at least. If minimum and requirement both is there, we will not see the requirement, we will see the minimum. So at least means greater than. So see, greater than, greater than, for greater than means outside, all outside region, right? Yes sir. Now see here, an employer recruits experienced and fresher workmen. X is for the experienced, Y is for the fresher workman for his firm, under the condition that he cannot employ more than 9 employees. Cannot employ more than, guys, cannot employ more than means, yes, it will be not greater than, it will be lesser than. So cannot employ more than. So see, this is what, this is greater than, equal to. So C is not there, A will be also not there, because this thing we don't want. And see, in the A we don't have this, X is greater than equal to, Y is greater than 0, S is greater than 0, Y is greater than, we don't have this in A. Okay, so A will get cancelled. As I have said you, this thing should be in equation, otherwise that equation is invalid. X will get the cancel, C also get cancelled because it is greater than. So obviously not more than 9 people. So say A is B number. A is how much? B number. See this, A is B number. Why? Because we have this we have, so valid, and cannot more than 9 people. So cannot more than 9 people means lesser than 9. So like this you will read, you will understand. Okay, so here the word is at least 30 units. At least 30 units is greater than. So this is lesser than, A is not there. So B is greater than, but B don't have this. So B is also eliminated. Obviously C is greater than and C have this. So C is the answer. Guys, see, D will not come. Okay, D will, none of these, it will not come. Now see here, the graph of this equation, X plus Y is lesser than, obviously. This is greater than, this is lesser than. But these don't have anything. So A, it is greater than means these don't have anything. This is lesser than, this is greater than. C number. See how very easy you will find the answer. Okay, we'll come for this number. Now see, they have what they have given. Yeah, they had given the graph. You have to find which is the correct equation. They are given the graph, you have to find the correct equation. So what we will use? We'll use only sign. So see, A will be eliminated because A don't have this. B, C, D. Okay, E is also, because none of these we will see also, but still A is not there. Okay, now see the line 1. What is this? This is a line 1. And guys, you have to see the shaded region, right? Obviously we will see the common region, that is a shaded part, because that only indicates the thing. Okay, so shaded part is here. So line 1, so shaded part is what? Above the line 1. Above the line 1 means greater than. So line 1 is greater than. See, line 1 is greater than, greater than, greater than. Oh, either B, C, D. Okay. Second, line 2. Line 2 is here. This is the line 2. See, line 2, and it is below. The shaded region is below the line 2, means lesser than. Line 2 is lesser than. Lesser than, greater than, lesser than, means C is also not there, either B or D. Now line 3. Line 3 is this, and the shaded region is upper. So upper means greater than. Line 3 is greater than, line 3 is greater than. But see here, guys, here see the line 3 is y is equal to x by 3. So it is not 9. So y is x by 3. Okay, see this, y is x by 3. And see the line, line 3. Okay, so what is the answer? Answer is line 3, because line 4 symbol is same. So we will see by this what I said. If the symbols are same, you have to see the given equations. Then you have to match which equation is matching. That is the correct answer. So B number is the correct answer. So here, guys, what here? Yes, here they had given a word problem. You have to find the correct equation. So see, B and C is not there because B and C doesn't have this. So B and C is eliminated. Now what we have to do? Very simple, guys. See, a dietitian wishes to mix together 2 kinds of food items so the vitamin contains of mixture at least. At least means what? Greater than. So see, A is lesser than, lesser than, lesser than. Oh, A is not there. C, D is greater than, greater than, greater than, greater than. D is the answer. That's it. See, you will give the answer in just few seconds. Okay. Now again they have given an equation, and this is the, they have given a graph. We have to find which is the correct equation. So what we will see? Just we will see the symbol. So here see, guys, what is the shaded region? Shaded region is all outside, right? Yes, shaded region is all outside. So shaded region is all outside means what? Greater than. So see, A and B is already not there because they don't have this. And all common region is what? Common region is all outside means symbol is all greater than. So greater than, greater than, greater than, greater than. That's it. 3. Option C is the answer. Okay, now next is what? Next is they have given an equation. From that we have to find the graph. Okay, see, till now we have seen every type of questions. Which type of question? First is we have to find the value of x. Not yours. So we have to find the value of x, right? What we have to do? We have to keep on our mind, like we are not going to change the sign. We are not going to change the sign, but we will do the normal calculations. If 3 is there, one part, second part, third part, then what we will do? We'll we'll take the first and second part, we'll take the second and third part, then so we understand how we will understand. We will understand what? Yes, we'll understand the first part when we have to find the value of x. Now second part also we have understand. We did like when they have given the word problem, from there how we will get the equations. Third also we understand, like they will give the equation, from that we will get the graph. Okay, third is like from they will give the graph, we have to find the equation. Fourth is this what we are doing now. They will give the equations, from that we have to find the graph. We have seen that they will give the graph, we have to find the equation. Now see what I have said, only the symbol. Greater than, greater than, greater than, lesser than. Oh, means C will be not there because C is at the corner. At the corner means yes, all are lesser, 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 lesser than. B will be not there because B is all outside, means for greater than. All this is for all greater than. Now greater than lesser than. L4 is lesser than means this is the line 4, L4. L4 is lesser than means it will come down. So a number, because see all are greater than means all are going up, but L4 is lesser than, so it will stop there. Okay, this a is the answer. Mhm. Okay, symbol is what? One is greater than, one is lesser than. So B and C will be not okay. See B C D none of this, because B C D does not have this, so it is got eliminated. So obviously in the B we see one is lesser than, one is greater than. That's it. They have said the same thing. One is greater than, one is lesser than. So one is greater than, one is greater than, one is lesser than, right? And obviously this is the answer because this have A. So B C D don't have this. Okay, next. हाँ ये वाला. Okay. So what is the thing? The question is they are given a graph, and from that we have to select which is the correct equation. So see, A also have this, B also have this, and C also have this. So we have to check for all the equations. So how we will check? Yes, we'll see the symbol. Line 1 is, guys, line 1 is this, means outward, right? It is moving away from the origin, outward. Means line 1 is greater than. So line 1 is greater than, line 1 is greater than, line 1 is lesser than. Oh, C will be eliminated, either A, B. Line 2 is also going up. So up means greater than. So line 2 is greater than, we have to see only for A and B. Greater than, greater than. Now line 3 is where? Yeah, this is the line 3. It is going away. So greater than. Line 3 is lesser than, greater than. So what is the answer? Option B. So wherever you will get, stop there. That is the answer. Now this. So all the type of questions we have seen. Now still we'll do the few more questions. So what is the thing I see? A, B, C, D. A will be eliminated because A don't have this. Right? Yes, sir. Okay. Now see, a firm makes two types of product, type A and type B. The profit on product A is 20 on product. Both types of produce 3 machine. The time required, okay, in hours by each product, and total time available. Okay, so guys, see total time available. Total time, or you can see that available time. What is the total time available? Means you can't take more than, I will say the total time available is 3 hours, guys. So you can't take more than 3 hours. Less than, so lesser than sign. So lesser than means B is greater than, lesser than, no. Lesser than, lesser than, lesser than, lesser than. C is the option. Very easy. Okay, now we'll do this. Okay, they are given a equation. We have to find which is the correct graph. So line 1 is lesser than, line 2 is lesser than, line 3 is lesser than. All are lesser than. See, these two we should not have to see. Okay. So line 1 lesser than, line 2 lesser than, line 3 lesser than. All are lesser than. Lesser than means what? All are lesser than means at the corner. So this is at the corner. So B is the answer. Yeah. Now see this. Line 1 lesser than, line 2 lesser than, line 3 is greater than. So this will not happen because at the corner means lesser than, lesser than. Guys, see, this thing will also not happen. Why? Because this is a line. It can't go for up and down both. So see, line 1, line 2, line 3 is greater than. So line 1 and line 2 is lesser than. So it will come down. Line 3 is greater than. So above of the line 3. See here this. Line 3. Above of the line 3. And from line 1, line 2, it is down. So A is the answer. Arey, shit. Wait. Okay, so I hope you understand all the concept. Okay. फिर भी देख लेते हैं. What happened? So this is done. So we did these 3-4 sums. Okay. Now see this. Yeah. A firm manufacturer to, okay, this also we can see. A manager requires X number of experienced men and women fresh for his working. At least 7 peoples. At least means greater than 7. So this is lesser than, greater than, greater than. Oh, guys, if this is greater than, this is also greater than. So which we will take? Yes, greater than, equal to. Because at least 7 people means we can take the 7 or more than 7. So greater than, equal to. Next is this. So a tank requires. Okay, again the word is requires. Requires means what? Less than. So lesser than, lesser than, lesser than, lesser than, lesser. Oh, all are lesser than. So what we have to do? We have to see the values. Yes. So the first machine can be used for 6 hours. First machine is 6 hours. Okay. And 2 hours on machine. Wait. See here. The first machine can be used for 6 hours and second machine for 4 hours. Means first machine will be 6, second machine will be 4. So this is eliminated. First machine will be 6, second is 4. It's a series. First machine is 6, second machine is 4 hours. Okay. Like this we can do. So I see this. This is available time. Available time means what? Yes, less than. So this is greater than, no, greater than, lesser than, lesser than, no. See this, lesser than, lesser than, lesser than. That is the answer. Food X, so all have this sign. Okay. Food X contain 4 units of vitamin A per vitamin B. Y contains 6 units of vitamin A per B. Okay, daily minimum requirement. See this. Minimum and the word requirement. So we will not focus on the requirement. We will see the minimum. Minimum is what? Greater than. So greater than, greater than. Yes. Lesser than, no. Greater than, lesser than, no. Lesser than, greater than, no. So greater than A. See, like this you will get the answer. Okay. Anything you can take. Okay. So see this available time, total time available means all are lesser than only. Okay, we'll see this. Anything you can take. This is greater than, this symbol is there. This means A, B, C all are valid. So 2 articles. See, a factory can avail of 80 hours. Can avail of 80 hours means maximum it can give 80 hours, right? I can say that, okay, for this work I can avail of 20. Suppose if you go for purchasing, so you will ask the discount. So I will say, okay, for this product I can avail a discount of 20%. I can avail a discount of 20%. Means maximum is 20%. Maximum is lesser than. So greater than, lesser than, no. Lesser than, yeah, B number, because C is lesser than, greater than, no. That's it. Okay, for this also they say the requirement and minimum. Okay, minimum means what? All are greater than, see the minimum. All are greater than, A number. This is lesser than, lesser than, no. So A number. Like this, guys, you have to solve. Okay, so this also you can see. See the least cost. Wait, at least. See, at least means what? Greater than only. So greater than. Oh. So greater than. All are greater than. Oh. So what we will do? We have to see the values. So if they say the 9 units of vitamin A, 10 units of vitamin B and 8 units of vitamin C. So 9, 10, 8. So 9, 5, 8. No. 9, 5, 8. No. 9, 5, 8. No. 9, 5, 8. Oh, all are 9, 5, 8 also. So it should be 9, 10, 8. Okay. Okay. Now we have to see this value. XY. So X means 1. So X plus 2Y. X plus 2y, X plus 2y, X plus 2y, X plus 2y. Oh. Then 2x plus 2y. So X plus 2y. No, A is eliminated. X plus y. Okay. X plus y, 2x plus y. D is also eliminated. Guys, B and C can be, because see, 2 will get cancelled, means we'll get the 1 only. So 1x 1y, so x plus y either B or C. Now here 3x plus y, so 3x plus y, 3x plus 2y, means B is the answer. This is a very rare they will ask, but still you got the what? Yes, you got the knowledge. Okay, these type of sums already we have did. तो एक करते हैं ये वाला. See, this is very easy. All at the corner means lesser than. Okay, two last two sums we'll do, guys. These two. This is all are lesser than. All means at the corner. At the corner means all are lesser than. So lesser than, greater than, no, greater than, lesser than, no, lesser than, greater than, no, lesser than, lesser than. So D number. Now see here, yeah. This all is corner. At the corner means lesser than. So lesser than, greater than, no, lesser than, okay. Lesser than, greater than, no, greater than, lesser than. That's all. See this. Lesser than. That's it. This type of sums we already did. Okay. So this is for the linear inequalities. So the both, okay. Sorry. The both PDF I will share in the Telegram group. So if you want to do the practice, please go through means to my Telegram channel, which is given in the description. You can join my Telegram channel and practice the practice the both PDF. Okay, so you will get the perfect and easily you can score 2 out of 2 marks here, guys. I think so maximum of 30 to 40 seconds, maximum of 30 to 40 seconds you will take, or sometimes they will get like we have seen, right? A B C D all was there, so maximum 1 minute easily you can take and you will get the answers. Okay, so this is for the linear inequalities done. So in the next class we will start with the next new chapter. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye, and keep on doing practice and take care.